Yo, what's going on? All my homies, homettes, dudes, and dudettes. It's your boy Will, and this location means I'm going to be doing a ride along. And I just got this fragrance not too long ago. This is Emir's Voux Zingy, and it's a bright, kind of a fruity kind of vibe fragrance. I'm thinking it's not going to be a long-lasting fragrance because it doesn't have anything that's kind of holding it together. But needless to say, we're going to just try it out and see how it work out. So regular sprays. I think I might do a couple of extra regular sprays. That's 3. Then let's go behind the neck. Behind the ear, behind the neck. There. And then do a couple of wrists and back of the hand. All right. It's nice little vibe going on around me. I'm digging it. I like the smell. It's supposed to be a clone of Torino 21 by Zerchoff, I think. But anyway, right now it is 6:15 and it's supposed to get kind of warm today, but right now it's 53 degrees. It's supposed to get up to, I think, like 70 or 80 degrees. So hopefully this fragrance will work well. All right, let's check it out. Roll with me. What's going on, folks? I am doing a check-in just to tell you what's going on with the fragrance right now. Right now, it's really, really close to the skin. It's almost like a skin scent, and it's fading very, very, very quickly. So on my skin, it's okay. It's light though. I'm not sure if I'm going nose blind to it or if it's just that fragrance doesn't last that long. So right now it is 8:52. Is that coming in? 8:52 and temperature is 53 degrees. All right. Yeah. 53 degrees. Feels like 51. But anyway, so I don't know. I'm thinking this is not going to be a long-lasting fragrance. I could be wrong. Maybe once I start moving around and it gets a little bit warmer. It's supposed to get warmer. I think it's supposed to get up to 70 or 80 degrees today. Maybe once it gets warmer, it'll heat up and it'll come back to life. But for right now, not doing too well. It's only been 2 hours, so a little bit more than 2 hours, almost 3 hours. So anyway, all right, that's my update for right now. I'll check back in a little bit. All right. What's going on, folks? I am checking in again, and I can say this fragrance is kind of a weird fragrance because it is either playing peekaboo with me or I'm going nose blind to it or mixture of both of the two, because a few hours ago I felt like the fragrance was fading and it was almost gone, and I still feel like it's faded, but it's still there, which is weird because it was like maybe a few hours ago where I was thinking, okay, it's almost gone, so I'll probably be wrapping up the video a little bit quicker. I look real dark, maybe if I take off my hat. So I was thinking, all right, I probably will be wrapping up the video a little bit quicker. I still look dark. So, but it's still on me. Like, I still smell it, but it's not like I'm going to get any attention from it because it's really, really, really close to me, but it's still there. It hasn't faded anymore from the time that the last check-in, I think that was like at 8 o'clock or something like that, and it is now 12:15. So it's still the same kind of vibe as what it was then. So I'm surprised. Oh, right now, let's see, it is 68 degrees now. So maybe part of it is it's coming back to life because it's warming up a little bit. But yeah, so I'm confused about this fragrance. I'm gonna have to wear this again. This is my first time wearing it, so it could be I need to let it sit for a little while. You know, with some of those new fragrances, you have to spray them and then let them sit for a little while. I actually just got this fragrance like maybe I think earlier this week. I did a unboxing of it with Ginger Babe from Aroma Concepts. So that could be part of it. I don't know. It could be a lot of different things. So I'm gonna have to wear this again. But I'm still gonna go on with this ride along just to see if it changes or if it's going to come back to life, because I did spray my skin also. So we'll see. Keep riding with me. So doing another check-in, and this fragrance is weird. I'm gonna have to get a couple of more wears out of this fragrance, because one minute I smell it, one minute I don't. This is the sweatshirt that I had on, and I can still kind of smell it. It's like very light, but I can smell it. It's not anything that's going to get attention. So I would say for getting attention, that probably only lasts for maybe the first 3, maybe 4 hours. But after that, it seems like it's kind of a long-lasting fragrance, like has good longevity, especially for it to be a fresh fragrance. So, you know, people get those things mixed up, the longevity and the sillage versus the projection. All of those are 3 different things. The longevity is just on your skin. This can be like a skin scent. But the projection is how far it's going out, and then the sillage is just the bubble that's around you. But anyway, it is now 2:33. So I can probably say that, yeah, this is probably the wrap up of it. But I am going to come back a little bit later. I'm planning on going and maybe get a little workout in. I did spray my skin, so I'm gonna see if it's going to heat back up, if it comes back to life. But I doubt it. I don't think so, because it's 2:30 now, and when I first sprayed it on, it was 6:30 or 6:15, something like that. So it would be at the end of the life. But if it comes back to life, that would be another shocking thing. But we don't know. I don't know. So stay tuned. I'll give you another update in a little bit. All right, so doing another little check-in. Like I thought, when I did my workout, I'm leaving the gym now. When I did my workout, the fragrance came back just a little bit, probably for about 10 minutes, and then it was completely gone. So, let me roll this window up. All right, so like I was saying, the fragrance came back, short amount of time, just 10 minutes, and then it was gone. And then we just saw a friend drive by, and then it was gone. So it's like it's all day this fragrance played peekaboo with me. So I'm thinking, and the temperature, it did go up.
Right now it's 5:13. I don't know if that's going to come up. Yeah, it's 5:13, but the temperature did go up a lot. Right now it's 79 degrees, and it so that could have something to do with why the fragrance was kind of in and out a little bit. So I'm gonna try it on a day that's actually a warm day. That's a warm day all through, where like a regular. It might be good for the summer or like late spring. Um, but yeah, I mean, it might be good for late spring. Yeah, that's what I said. Late spring and summertime. But yeah, because this morning it started out, it was kind of chilly this morning. I think it was like 50 something degrees. So we've gone up about almost 30 degrees. So yeah, that's that. But anyway, I'll wrap this up when I get home. All right, so I am back in the house, and man, I'm going to have to just one ride along with this fragrance. Not going to do it justice. I'm going to have to wear this again a couple of times, and I usually do a ride along after I've worn a fragrance, once or twice, or maybe even a dozen times. But this, I just got it in the mail, so I was thinking, oh, I'm going to try it out and see how it is. But this Voux Zingy, Emir's Voux Zingy by Paris Corner, it was playing peekaboo with me all day today. It was, after the first 45 minutes, it was nice. It was probably like an arm's length way. It's not a beast mode fragrance in any way. Maybe in longevity, because I can still slightly smell it. If I dig my nose into it, I can still smell it, which is really crazy because it doesn't have anything to hold on to. It's just like a almost like a minty musk, like a musk with some mint in the background. That's kind of what I'm getting off my skin. I haven't put anything else on my skin, so I assume that it's coming from this. But it's I'm gonna have to do another visit with this fragrance. But take this with a grain of salt for this ride along. So Voux Zingy, the notes for Voux Zingy. The top notes are basil, citron, lemon, and bergamot. And then the middle notes are verbatim, jasmine, amberite, and the base notes are musk. I think I may have put this up already, but it is what it is. So it does smell just like a bright, like a lot of citrus in the top. It just smells like a citrus salad of different citrus, like not vanilla, like orange and pineapple, not pineapple, but orange, grapefruit, blood orange. It just lemons. It just smells a bright citrus vibe, and then that's the 45 minutes that I was talking about, and after that, it gets really, really close to the skin, and it still smells fruity and citrusy, but it's very muted. It's like really close to you, so it almost comes off. It works as if it would be a date scent. That's the kind of vibe that it gives, because it's like really close. So the person will have to come in close to smell you, at least for today, because it was cool. But in the heat, it may jump off your skin a little bit more. That's why I say I have to wear it again. I have to wear it when it's actually warm all day, and I can get a good vibe for it. But yeah, I like it. At first, I wasn't crazy about the performance, but I have to take that with a grain of salt because of the weather conditions today. And that's why when I give these ride-alongs, it's like a true impression of what you may go through. It's like a regular day of moving around, and in addition to that, with the weather, I try to tell you what the weather is, so you know if it's going to work in the weather or if it's not, and what seasons that this fragrance might work a little bit better in. So yeah, but anyway, right now it is 5:38, and the weather is, let's see, what is the weather? It is still 79 degrees. Nope, Nope, I take that back. It just clicked over. It's 80 degrees now. So yeah, it got really cold. It got really warm today. But anyway, thanks for riding around with me, hanging out with me with this ride along. I appreciate your time. I know you could be anywhere else in the world, but you're here with me, talking about Emir Voux Zingy by Paris Corner with the furry bottle. Not crazy about the furry bottle though, but yeah, it's a good fragrance. Yeah, so that's all I got for you today. Till next time, it's your boy Will with the Will Report. Deuces.